shall be having a Shell Advance booth with the latest Ducati Jebel on display. We're going to be giving away raffle draws, Shell Advance keychains, shirts, and a lot more. And we shall be having also a bike simulator for all our fathers and riders as well. That's this June 15 to 17 at Ortigas Galleria.